Hello, my name is David Godoy. My banner ID is 017118838. I have not collaborated with any other live person for this video. Um, so so age, the column we'll be working with is a quantitative variable because it's measured on a scale from, well, it's measured on a numerical scale, usually from 0 to 100 for age, or it could be more depending on how long people live. So now let's talk about the measures of central tendency. So for central tendency, working with the column age, um, so the mean is the average of all the numbers, meaning you count all the numbers and then divide them by the amount of numbers. And for this age group, for this set, the median age was 28.46. So that means that the average person was 28.46 years of age. The median is the number which falls in the middle when you grab all the numbers and line them up from smallest to largest. It so happened that 24 was the number right in the middle for this specific data set. And then another measure of central tendency is mode. Mode is a little more simple than others. It's really the number that's most prevalent. So the number that comes up the most times, and for this data set, happened to be 20. As you can see here, this is the measures of central tendency all together. If I had to, in my opinion, I think that the mean is the most it's the best measure of central tendency, just because you're able to account for the group as a whole, and you're able to divide and find what's the average number. I just think that the average is a little bit more uh, describes all of the ages better in one glimpse. The median, I wouldn't say so, just because it's the number that falls right along the middle. Um, but if I just don't think it describes it as well. And then the mode is the number that which is most prevalent, even though it does describe it well. I don't think it's the best way for a quick glance, because there could be, say, a lot of ones in this instant, but the median could be 28. I just really think I don't think it's an accurate measure. Um, so as a graph, I put them in a box plot, as we can see here. This really captures the what this does. It captures like the five summary. Um, so for the data set we worked with, the minimum was 3, so that means that the youngest person all data set was 3 years old. Quarter one, which is when you arrange all the numbers, the bottom 25% of the data set was 21. Um, in the middle, we had 24, which was right in the middle of all the people. And then in the 75, in the quarter three, which is the 75th percentile, it was 33. And then the maximum was 91.